I will show you guys on how to claim free Nitro on the phone. But before that, I run a server called Pixie. It has all the high-quality server decors and layouts you need. We even have different channels like banners, dividers, and so on. The server is highly advanced with all the new techniques and technologies and advanced verification system to keep our members safe. We also do Discord Nitro giveaways. My servers currently has over 11,000 members and they increase every day. If you want to join my server, go to any of my videos description, there you will find the invite link. You can join us to make friends, mental health, and for decors and layouts, or just come check us out. First, just click your profile at the bottom or click start 2-week trial. Almost everyone who doesn't have Nitro has gotten this offer. Just click the pink banner at the top with try 2 weeks free Nitro, and you can even pick your local payment method. I claimed my free 2 weeks Nitro, so I will just boost the server. Also, don't random my comment section that you don't have payment method or you didn't get the offer. See, it's not my issue, my job is to inform you about the free Nitro and on how to get it. If you don't have necessary resources to claim it then, well, not my problem. Also, it's not me who decide who gets Nitro or not. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button. We crossed 7K subscribers, which is pretty crazy.